instead of handling an error within the function, we can just return that error out of this function. Let's create a function to read the content from a file. Function, give it a name, read a file, and this function will take one parameter, file path, and type is ampersand str, and this function will returning type is result, and type of string in this result, and arrow from this standard library IO, and in this function, let's create a variable open file equal to file from standard library open function, and put a file path here, and this open function will return a result value. Let's create another variable mute file equal to match. We use match to handle this open file variable of this result type, open file. If this open file is OK, then we will return this file handle within this OK. And if this open file is error, we will return this error, hold this arrow out of this entire reader file function. So that's why we added this return for this error. Then this function will stop being executed. The code below this line will not run. Then let's create a mute variable content equal to string :new. This create a empty string variable. We use this variable to store the content from the file. We use read to string method to read content from a file. So file dot read to string, and because this read to string method only can work on mutable value, so that's why this when we create this file variable, we added the mute keyword before this variable, and we put the ampersand mute content inside of this variable. So it will read the content from this file into this content variable, and because this read to string method will return a value of result, so we need to use match to handle this returning value. And if this returning value is OK, and we don't need the value inside of this OK, we just return OK and put the content inside this OK. If this returning value is an error with the arrow in it, then we just return this error with arrow E. Because this match expression is the last of this reader file function, so we don't need to add the return keyword. This match expression will return this OK or this error out of this reader file function. Then let's in our main function, let's call this function and create a variable content equal to reader file put a file path like hello.txt in this read file function, and let's use match to handle this content. If this content is okay, then let's just print out the content. Content is content. If this content is an error, then we will call panic and print out this arrow E. Because in our directory we have a file named hello.txt, and inside of this file there are some content hello world. So in our terminal, let's cargo run. Okay, we put out the file path should not tx, is txt. Let's cargo run again. It because it will print out content is hello world, and if we delete this hello.txt file, and in our terminal, let's cargo run again. This time it will panic and print out a error message, no such file or directory. This is how we propagate error. Hope see you next time.